We're heading down to Providence, Rhode Island, to 1039 Chalkstone Avenue, where we will find Federal Hill Pizza Company, and Chef Billy Manzo is going to show us how to make a Zorba Pizza.
Company, Chef Billy Manzo. Welcome to the weekend, everybody. I hope everybody's doing well. Me and Mr. Hector Malice are going to walk you through, come on in. Go ahead, Hector, let's get on it. We're going to walk you through our process of making a pizza. Everything's made on Italian marble. We're going to walk you through our dough. Let's get on it. Let's make this kind of quick. Better be masked up. I'm in the food area. Sorry, guys. So, come on. Come over here. Very soft. Very high hydration. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I'm behind the phone, and I will answer them. So we have Hector making a beautiful piece of dough right now. Somewhere around 80% hydration, and then we'll take it from there. He's dusting the counter over on the left side, and then we're going to bring that dough over to the prep. Nice and easy, beautiful. Zorba? Yeah, let's do a Zorba. So we're going to do a Zorba, which is a Greek-style pizza with a shredded Galvani cheese. Really great burn, beautiful melt. Anywhere between 750 and 825. We're going to go with Kalamata Olives, no canned olives here. We're going to go with the smaller one. This pizza is for TV, so very small, very, very small black olive. Sweet, really sweet. We're going to do chicken on this particular pizza. And as you can tell, we use a shredded chicken thigh, which is sweeter, beautiful meat. We do about 4 ounces. Antonio, ciao, come stai? Hope you're well. This particular product is a little hint of American, but also the flavor profile of Italian. And the reason why is the lightness of the ingredients on the pizza and the finish of the olive oil plus the Italian brick oven. So we do it on stainless. We have many different toppings, and we have approximately a bunch, and he'll touch that with a little touch of Romano. And now we're going to feed it. Go right to the oven, and he'll feed to the oven. So this particular pizza that we're putting in right now will be cooked at around 775. He's going to feed it at approximately 12 o'clock. And in this particular oven, the Gianni Punto, this particular oven is very, very hot at the 12 o'clock mark. Jimmy, hope you're well. Nice seeing you. Antonio, again, ciao. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. That looks great. Thanks for sharing. Absolutely, Jimmy. This particular product, this particular pizza will cook at a little over 2 minutes. Again, you have to realize something. Bring that up to me. Bring it to me. No, you're good. That's that. Yeah, you're fine. Stay there. Go ahead. You guys can listen to me. Remember, this is America. So we are not trying to duplicate a classic Napoli-style pizza. I built this pizza for the American consumer. So, as you can tell, it's going to look Neapolitan, it's going to taste Neapolitan, but I'm one of few pizzaiolos in the United States that use 3 different grains that I grind to make a flour, and this is the beautiful, beautiful nutty flavor that we get, and it's a classic soft, as you can tell. Again, it'll cook off very quickly. And that's it. He's going to roof it a little bit. Get some, there you go. Let's finish it off, will you? Beautiful pie. Nice color. Now, when that pie comes out, as most of you would imagine, we want it to rest. So I know a lot of you guys will be shocked, but before we serve a pizza, either in the dining room We let it rest. Then we send it to the dining room, okay? So, David, now how are you? What's up, Dave? Hope you're well. This particular product was about 2 minutes in cook time. You're looking at 2 different cheeses, 3 different flours. Now, and this is the magic with my product. Now, it just came out. Watch this. Soft, soft. Look, soft. Beautiful. A lot of air, a lot of carbon dioxide in that. If some of you guys, Antonio, if you're, here, go this way. If you're into and understand the Neapolitan pizza scene, you can certainly understand that the carbon dioxide and the air that we want to put into the dough is very important. This particular dough is a 2.5 day old dough, and it's just beautiful, real pretty, great flavor. And then we're going to finish that off with a tzatziki, little feta right now. And again, most of you guys watching would say, well, why didn't you put the feta on before it went into the oven? Because we simply want the cheese to get the quality of flavor profile when it's not melted. Casey, hope you're well. I'm behind the scenes as Hector builds the pizza. Remember, some cheeses, most cheeses, taste significantly better unmelted. Their quality and their flavor profile is somewhat better. A smoked Gouda has a tendency of being better melted. A feta, you get the most feta flavor profile when it's not melted. Now this is a beautiful combination with a fresh cucumber tzatziki, with fresh basil, pulled chicken, Galbani cheese, with a little bit of basil, and that's it. So listen, if anybody has any questions, please feel free. Thanks so much. Think Billy Manzo, Federal Pizza. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you later on in the weekend for another one.
Thank you so much, Chef Billy, for that wonderful pizza recipe. You can find Federal Hill Pizza at 2 locations, at 495 Main Street in Warren, Rhode Island, and also at 1039 Chalkstone Avenue in Providence. Their website is federalhillpizza.com. I'll put all links below this video, and I'll also link a couple of great interviews I did with Chef Billy. He's a wonderful guy. He also has a Facebook page, a YouTube channel, and he's on Instagram, and I'll link all those below. Until next time, pizza on earth, goodwill to all.